How about we start adding some movement and life to our augmented reality creations? I've built this scene and I've added a space shuttle to the very front of it. And what I want to do is I want to make that shuttle take off when I tap on it. So, to make this work, first of all, tap on the object to select it once, and then in the top corner you're going to press the Behaviours button. Now from here you want to add a new behaviour. So when you tap on that button you'll notice there are a few preset options, and one of them says tap and add force. That means when I tap on my object, a force will be applied and it will move in whatever direction that force is moving. There are lots of different options here, which opens up lots of creative possibilities for your own objects and animations in Reality Composer. When you add a behaviour to an object for the first time, you might turn on dynamic physics for that object. So tap on Update and then the object will behave as it should do in the real world. I've now got a couple of panels at the bottom of my screen, and from here I can choose the amount of force I apply to my rocket, so I can make it go higher or lower, and I can also check what object it is actually applying to. So if I choose a different object, I could add that force to any object on my scene or multiple objects. But for this, I just want the rocket. Well, I'm happy that my force and my tapping target are both on the space shuttle. I'm then going to press the AR button and I'm going to press the play button. At this stage, it will place the object in the real world, and I can move around, but when I tap on that rocket, it's going to go flying off into space. Well, not quite, it kind of bounces and then falls down on mine, but perhaps you can adjust your own force to make it a little bit better. The possibilities for animations and forces in Reality Composer are huge. Hey, thanks for watching that video. Now, if you enjoyed that and you want to find some more quick tips for your iPad or to use in your classroom, do me a favour and press the subscribe button down below. That will really help me out, and it will help you keep up to date with all the latest tips and tricks on my YouTube channel.